Hey, what's up? Just got my new washing machine delivered, and take a look at it. We're gonna be remodeling the whole laundry room. Just finished painting and looking at the directions. Still got the old dryer, but we're gonna be getting rid of that by next week. And that is really nice. It's silver color and looks cool. We're gonna redo the floor. We had the floor torn apart, and got some instructions here. Always read the instructions. So that's about it. Just got my new washing machine. Cost about $1,200. That's a lot. A lot of money for a washing machine. The other one just wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. Gotta keep the clothes clean. So check us out on the next home remodeling. I'm about to go and watch these guys scale this building on YouTube. So you see how addicting YouTube is. So that's about it. Peace.